Hey guys, so today I'm going to do the witch casket for March. Now this is a little bit of a weird one for me because I do like the things that are in the box, but it's all brown and I'm really weird with the colour brown, like I just don't like it. So it kind of puts me off the things in here a tiny bit, but that's not their fault, so maybe, I don't know, make your own opinion on it is what I'm saying. So when you open it up, it looks like this inside. There is a little like a little list of contents thing that tells you what's inside. It says, welcome to March's witch casket. We hope you feel the energy and love we poured into it. This month's witch casket is all about the stars and the zodiac. Please remember to read the enclosed list of contents. We can't wait for you to see what we came up for April, etc, etc. So I will put the link down below for them in case you want to go check them out. But the first thing in here is this, which is like a tote bag. So it's brown with gold writing on it, and it has the zodiac on there, which is really cool. It says witch casket in the middle, and then it has all the Aquarius, Capricorn, Sagittarius, etc around there, just like a little shopping bag kind of thing. So these are really handy. I just keep them in my car and stuff in case I like go to the shop or whatever. Then we have a print and it looks like this. I'm not sure which way up it's supposed to be, but it's some little fish, like a constellation, I'm assuming. I don't really know the constellations, so I'm no help with that one, but this is what it looks like anyway. I decided, by the way, for everyone that keeps saying, I am going to keep hold of these cards and do like a giveaway or put them in with my giveaways or something. I'm not going to throw them away. So just so you know, that is where these are going to go in future. Then next we have our pin, which looks like this. And it says, written in the stars. So that's pretty cute. Again, it's brown, which I don't love. I wish it was black, but it is quite cute though. Then we have our tea. You always get some tea as well, and this one is called Russian Caravan Tea. It just says a blend of tea from India, Sri Lanka and China, which is cool. And this is actually a tea that you add milk and sugar to, like an English tea. So I will definitely try this out because I don't really like the ones that are like fruit teas and stuff, but these ones that are like a milk and sugar kind of tea I will definitely drink, so I will give that a try. Then next we have our gemstone. I think this is definitely my favourite one that we've ever got. So this is Variegated Tiger's Eye. It says, Tiger's Eye is a stone of optimism and success. This is a great stone for emotional balance as it dispels anxiety and stress, which is something I definitely need. And it brings a sense of purpose and strong will. Tiger's Eye can give you a clear-minded confidence and charisma. Now this is like the prettiest stone ever. I don't know if it's really going to show up very well on the camera, but it like moves around in there. I don't know, I just think it's super cool. Like, look at that. That's so cool. So that is our Tiger's Eye, or Variegated Tiger's Eye. So there is that. Then we have some more incense. I think you always get incense as well. These ones are called Happiness, and there's a little like spell thing on the side that says, light the incense and affirm, as I embrace joy in all I see, many happy blessings follow me. So I guess you're supposed to say that as you light it, and then it brings you happiness. Now these smell exactly like, when you think of incense sticks, that's the smell I think of this one, like those creepy old witchy shops. I don't know, they smell really good, but like just a generic incense kind of smell, I feel like. So that is our incense sticks, and then we've also got another little holder. I'm pretty sure we got one, maybe not the last box, but maybe the one before that, I can't remember. In fact, was that even witch casket? I don't know. I do so many boxes I forget what things like are in, but we got another incense holder in another one. This one is like a stand-up one, so you stick it in there and it stands up. It's got a little moon and stars on it. It's very cute. Might put this in a giveaway sometime or something because I've just got so many of them. I really don't need it, but it's cute. Then we have this, which is a spiritual journal. It's literally just a little blank notebook Not the best made, it is just like a paper notebook, but it's cute though. I might take it to work or something. And then I've left the two bigger items to last, so we'll do our little scroll. I haven't opened it yet this month, so again, this is something else you get monthly. It's supposed to be like for your book of shadows or whatever. And this is what this one looks like. So it says birthstones by month. Note that when a month has 2 birthstones, we have listed the most commonly known. So January is garnet. It says garnet is a stone of protection and guidance. February is amethyst. Amethyst is a renowned healing and calming stone. March is aquamarine. Aquamarine is a great meditation aid. It calms the mind and eases stress. April is a diamond. Diamonds are great amplifiers. They enhance the power of other crystals and they're also believed to bring courage. May is emerald. Emerald is a stone of wisdom, patience and growth. June is pearl. Pearl is thought to calm a restless mind and help with anger management. I'm not sure pearl is a gemstone, is it? July is ruby, which is a stone of love and passion. Also helps to remove negativity and bring strength. August is peridot. That eases exhaustion and lethargy and is thought to ward off evil. Maybe I need that one because I'm always tired. September is sapphire. That's a stone of dignity, serenity and wisdom. October is opal, which is a creative stone which can be used to ward off evil and bring hope. November is a topaz. Topaz promotes calmness and peace, increases strength and discourages negative emotions. And December is turquoise, and that's a symbol of success and good fortune, and it relaxes the mind and protects us from harm. So that is what it is on there. And then like I said, I've left the 2 biggest items till last. So the first one is this one, which to me looks like a Christmas bauble. And this is a love and self-love witch ball kit. So this says, fill the witch ball with the jasmine flower and chamomile herb blend and the rose quartz crystals. You can also add in anything else which may help you manifest the type of love that you're trying to attract. So for self-love, you might add something personal to you, and for romantic love, you might add something that signifies romance. You've got to seal the ball with a candle wax, maybe, that's a good way, and hang it in your personal space to attract the love you desire. So it's like a plastic ball which opens up like this. There is some crystals in here, and then there is the herb blend, and basically that's like our kind of little spell thing for the month. So that's cute. And then what I would say is probably the biggest item in the box is this little pouch, and this is a bag of zodiac charm amulets. So this says these amulets can be used to symbolize intent. Add them to charm bags, witch balls, spell jars, or use them in rituals to help display your intent, or simply carry around the appropriate one for you. So we have lots of little, like, it says amulets, but they look like poker chips kind of thing. They're like made of plastic. They make a really nice noise, weirdly. Is that like an ASMR thing? So they all say witch casket on one side like this, and then on the other side they say another word with a symbol. So we've got determination, confidence, intellect, commitment, bravery, wisdom, tactfulness, kindness, discipline, protection, creativity, and optimism. So that's our little bag of those, and that is everything that was in Witch Casket this month. So like I said, it's a little weird one for me because I don't like brown, but I can't really use that against them, can I, because it's just a colour. So I will just try to do a little recap. I always do this and leave something out. Right, so we've got the spell kit ball, we've got our gemstone, I'm just going to hang them on my finger, we've got the little amulets with the stuff on, we've got this print, the incense sticks, the incense stick holder, let's put it back there actually, the little pin, the spiritual journal, the tea, and the little scroll. So this is everything that was in Witch Casket for March. Not a bad box at all. Definitely some cute things. I do like these amulets. I love this gemstone. That's definitely my favourite one. I will try the tea for once, which is good because usually I don't even get to do that. And yeah, like I said, I will leave all the info for them down below. I think this box works out maybe about £27 to the UK, and it does ship worldwide. I know a lot of people always ask me that. If you go on their website, there is different options that you can pick. You can pick UK, Europe, or international, so it will go everywhere as far as I'm aware. And yeah, I hope you liked this video anyway. If you did, please subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.